Brandon is going to read to Nana. He has a new one called what? What is this, Brandon?
News to you.
News to you. And what does this say? Monarchs.
Monarchs, but monarchs fly.
Fly. A monarch is a what? Type of butterfly. Okay.
Type of butterfly.
Okay, so let's read. Hey, good morning. That's Anthony.
Morning, Brandon.
Brandon, what you say to Anthony? What you say to Anthony?
Morning. Good morning.
All right. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, you ready?
The monarch butterfly. The fly.
Or
Fly.
good. Oh, you don't want my finger there? Excuse me. Look, this is the line. Look, they what?
This is
Or.
fly to California and Mexico.
Good. To California and Mexico. Good. Okay, come on. Very good. Come on. Read some more. Oh, look, he acting like he's asleep now, snoring. Oh my gosh. Oh, do you hear that? Oh, do you hear that? Brandon, how you snore? You are something. Are you ready? Are you ready to finish reading?
Yes.
Okay, well, come on. Come on.
The Monarchs love warm weather.
Good.
The fall.
Every.
If for this fly shout
South.
if spring the butterfly winter
Return what?
not
Good. Very good. You so funny, Dodger. Come on. Let's go. You're doing a great job. Look how you smiling. I say I love to read. Oh, there he goes with his snoring. Oh my gosh. You got to close your eyes if you act like you're sleeping. You got to close your... There you go. You got to close your eyes first. Let me know when you're ready to read again. Look at that smile. Who you laughing at? Fuji? You laughing at his dog? Fuji. Fuji. Are you ready to finish reading the next page?
Yes.
Okay, well, come on. Let's read. Come on.
George's friend.
Come on. I'm ready. Come on.
The Monarch babies eat meat, plants.
Good.
People are deer
Destroying
destroy. We play.
plants. Good.
You can
You can what? Look, rocking at the same. I don't see how you could read and rock. Help what?
help by plant.
Planting.
We seal.
Seeds. Milkweed seeds. Destroy means to look. To take apart and do this like I'm going to destroy you. I'm going to get you. I'm going to destroy.
I'm gonna get you that straw.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay. Come on. Let's go next page. Oh. What page is this?
Fly.
What page is this?
Wait.
Tell me, what page is this? What's the title of the
South.
page?
Sugar.
Stop. Wait. Stop rocking.
South.
Look. What's the page title? What's this?
Sugar.
Game.
Gay pig.
Good. Now, what does it say? Directions.
Picture about monarch butterfly.
Monarch flies. Okay, which one?
Butterfly.
Good.
Spring.
Fly and head. You did it already, huh? Okay, excuse me. Oh my God. You circled all of this stuff already. So you kind of read this. Review page. What?
What's the paper about?
What is the paper about?
What's the paper about?
What is the paper about?
The anniversary. Monarch butterfly. Yes!
And what's the other one? What it says?
Trouble.
Terrible towel. And what's the answer? Oh, there he goes snoring. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I want you to write me a letter. Hold on. Let me get something together here. Can you do that for Nana? Write something. Let's write something to Mama and Papa. Because you got to show that you know how to write now. Okay? Hold on. Let me get a pencil. Just write something here. Come on. Come on. Dear. Here you go. Here's a pencil. Hold it correctly. Look. Get there. Dear. That's D. E. Go ahead. Oh, he's clowning. A, but at least it R. Okay, dear. That's very good. Look, that's dear. Dear Brandon. No, dear Memo. Dear
Memo.
Come on, say Memo. How you spell Memo?
Mem.
M. M what? M-A. What else? M. A. Oh, mom. Okay, good. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to spell some words. Let's turn the paper over. Spell. Write. Let me see. Write elephant. Can you spell elephant?
E.
Come on.
F.
E what?
L. A.
E. No, elephant. How you spell? Oh, he doesn't wanna. He tried though. He doesn't wanna. Look. Why you don't wanna, Bran? You not working today?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do letters then. Make an A. Come on. Wait. Do it with the right hand. Here you go. Right hand. Oh, this is the right. No, right hand. I know you're ambidextrous. Come on. Make an A.
A.
Oh, good. B.
B.
Good. C.
C.
That's not a C. Oh, you doing a D. Come on.
D.
Brandon can spell words, but he's just not in the mood now. F.
F.
Oh, he's not in the mood. I'm turning the camera off.
F.
Okay. You want me to turn the camera off? We're going to start another session.
F. H.